Good morning, my dear students. We will begin with chapter 4, Geography, Water, Lakes and Rivers. In this chapter, we are going to cover lakes and rivers and pollution in lakes and rivers. There are two types of lakes, freshwater lakes and saltwater lakes. Distribution of major rivers, how major rivers are distributed throughout the world, not only in India but throughout the world, and lakes too. We will talk about all the major lakes of the world. Next, we will get to know how lakes and rivers are polluted and the ways to curb it. Alright, so let's start. So firstly, children, we'll know the definition of lakes. A large depression on land surface filled permanently with water is called a lake. A lake is either filled with fresh water or with salt water. Alright. So, now we will distribute lakes. There are artificial lakes and natural lakes. Artificial lakes or man-made lakes made by human are tanks and dams. बांध जिसको कहते हैं, ठीक है? Tanks and dams. Now natural lakes are natural, made by nature, already present on the surface of the earth. Based on its formation, there are three types of lake: depositional lakes, erosional lakes and tectonic lakes. Alright, and based on its compositions, there are freshwater lake and saltwater lake. Yes children, lakes also contain salt water. There are a very few lakes with salty water in it, and they are also called sometimes inland seas. Alright, but usually the larger lakes of the world are freshwater lake, including many lakes in India. Also, there is only one saltwater large lake in the world, and that is in India. We will come to know about it. Let's proceed. Before that children, we will come to know what freshwater lakes are useful for. For human being, they are used for consumption of fresh water, to drink, for the daily life purpose, irrigation of the farms, industrial processing and hydropower generation. Okay, what is the source of this water that gets collected in the lakes, permanently stays there? Majorly the source are melted snow, means the glaciers, or the lakes are generally fed with rain. Alright, so these two are the major sources. That is why the water is fresh and can be used for drinking and other life purpose. Alright, now let us discuss some significant, means important lakes of the world. We will come to know about Lake Baikal in Siberia, then Lake Onega in Europe, then Great Lakes of North America. North America also have 5 major lakes. What are they? Lake Superior, Lake Michigan, Lake Huron, Lake Erie and Lake Ontario. America is also known as the land of 5 lakes. Alright. It supports many activities over there. What activities? We'll come to know about it. Now, another major lake of the world is Lake Titicaca in North America. Alright. And Lake Victoria in Africa. You all know children, Lake Victoria is the source of the longest river of the world, that is river Nile. ये रिवर नील की नदी किससे निकलती है? ये लेक विक्टोरिया से ही निकलती है. Now next large lake is Lake Chilika in Odisha. Now this is not a freshwater lake, this is a saltwater lake.